Good morning, everyone.
Hi, guys.
Welcome to the homestead. Well, as you can see behind us, we got a lot of work done on our last video on the farm stand.
We did.
But we're breaking away from that because Jason is coming over today. It was supposed to be Jason and Tara, but Tara can't.
Yeah, she's not feeling very well
Yeah,
today.
she's a little under the weather today, so that's fine. We want her to get better. But Jason's still coming over. Let me show you guys. Let me show you what we got. So I've got a big pile of logs here. And I got more logs here and logs up there. And I got logs back there. And those are all going on Jason's trailer. Those are from the pile that we gave him. So he's on his way. But we're going to head to the back. And we're gonna check on the bunnies. I think we need to move the bunnies.
Yeah, they're ready to move.
Yeah,
they're about 4 weeks now.
Yep.
And they need to get separated from mom so she can have a break.
Yeah, she needs to get a little bit of break so she can get rebred. And they're going over to hang out with Daddy. So
on the other side of.
So let's go back there and take a look, guys. Look at our chickens. They're all lined up. They're waiting for a treat. Usually we bring them the scraps from the night before, but there wasn't a lot of scraps last night, so.
No, and any of the stuff in the little compost bucket, I forgot it all, so.
Yeah, so they're bumming.
Tomorrow. Sorry, guys.
Look at them. Oh, where's my treats?
Oh.
Yeah. What's up, chickens? Look at my driveway, guys. I need to fix this permanently. It's getting really bad.
I'm just gonna leave it here.
All right, let's go back here and check out the chickens. I mean, check out the rabbits. Oh, Mama Rabbit's there. Look at little babies are in there. Mama Rabbit. You guys are gonna get a move. Take a whole flake for them.
Hey, Bill.
Hey,
See you
Bill.
doing some moving around, huh?
Watch out, Mama. Okay. baby, honey. Let me get some water.
Hey, Bill. Are those your babies?
Caught that, but we have a successful way to get it on the trailer. So now that we have that, we just got to work out a couple small details and we're going to get this thing loaded. guys, did you see that? We got a decent pile of logs on there, but woo, that was sketchy to say the least. I was not happy about that. But they're on there, and now we just got to get them strapped down. Guys, check it out. We've got a nice load of logs on there. Not as many as we wanted, but we certainly got as many as we could possibly get with our gifted Massey Ferguson tractor, and I am blessed to have it. But I'm gonna start getting packed up, put the tractor away. Jason is gonna go get some sawdust from the mill, and he is going to bring that home because they do a composting toilet. So that is the perfect medium for that. So I think I'm gonna put the camera on Jason so you guys can watch him slave while I just drive a tractor around.
You're poor fans.
I'm telling you.
I apologize before y'all witness this.
He's just, he's not shoveling from the actual composting toilet.
No, this is sawdust for the toilet later.
Yeah, this is just sawdust. So
this is composter homesteader gold right here.
Yeah. So you guys check that out. I'm gonna get the tractor put away. Then we're gonna get back to the other house so that we can have some lunch.
I'm in. He had me at lunch.
All right, guys, guess where I am? That's a tiny house. And there's Jason from White Rock. It's the next day. I am over at their homestead now.
It's not as nice as yesterday.
No, it's starting to rain, but that's all right. You see, me and Jason were talking yesterday, and he needed 2x6s, and I had a whole pile of 2x6s that I don't need it anytime soon. And I said, well, let me bring them over to you the next day, and you can have them, because I had to come out here to go to Lowe's anyway. So we are going to get this offloaded for them, and that is going to complete this project.
Yeah, we got the logs here. They did haul here, in case anybody was questioning that. They hauled here great.
Yeah.
No problems. By the time I got home, got dinner, it was dark. I was like, I'm not monkeying with it. And well, it's still loaded and the weather's crap. So I'm only outside because Eric showed up. And so we're going to tough it out, get these unloaded, get them on my tractor. He's got stuff to go get. And I got a couch to hold down because it's crappy outside.
We're going to leave it there, and we'll talk to you guys later. See you later. Bye.